Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 30-watt 20,000 milliamp fast charging tri-output battery pack. Alright, so right here we have our fast charging battery pack. This is a 30 watt which hits iPhone 14's 27 watt max needed. You can SAFUEL 86% 30 watt, 3 times faster than the 12 watt. Only 1% of power banks got the 2 USB-C both in and output. It is a 8.2 times of the iPhone 8 charges, 3.2 of the iPad mini, 5.4 of the Samsung S9, and 26 AirPods Pro charges. You can charge 3 times faster using the power bank. You can recharge the power bank 4 times faster. It is C to Lightning or C to C. It has a warning, do not buy power banks with a USB-C input only. You want to try to use the ones that actually have the Type-C charging, as well as they can charge nothing but themselves via the USB-C port. So right here you do get a little travel bag with it, so if you don't want to carry it by itself, you have a little mesh bag right here you can take with you, and it also comes with the charging plug. So if you're looking for a nice rechargeable battery pack, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one keeps your devices charged up, and it does include the charging cable.